Hello students, in this video I will teach you another definition of onto functions. Whenever we can't find the range of the function or it is difficult to find the range of onto functions or we are not able to find the range of onto function, we can use this definition to show whether it is onto function or not. Right? In first definition, I had taught you that when codomain and range are equal, then function is onto functions. If this condition is applied, codomain equal to range, then onto functions is happen. But sometimes we can't find the range, so this definition is applied. What is this definition? What is the definition? If a given function is f a to b, where a is the domain and b is the codomain. If for every y belongs to b, b is the codomain of f, right? For every y belongs to b, there exists any x belongs to a is the domain of f, such that f of x equal to y or y equal to f of x, then y is called onto function, right? We know that y is the image of x in the function, right? And x is the pre-image of y. We know that. Do remember these two terms, image and pre-image. Y is the image and x is the pre-image, right? So here we have to show whether any x belongs to a there exists or not for every y belongs to b. A is the domain, b is the codomain. We have to show a reverse process, right? So first of all, I will show you an example. What is the example? Example is f a to b, f of x is equal to x plus 3, where domain a is the set having element 4, 6, 8, 10, and codomain b is the set having elements 7, 9, 11, 13. Very easy and simple example I have taken here. So let us understand. Here we have to show whether given function f is onto or not, right? So what will we do? First of all, we will check for every y belongs to b, is there any x belongs to a? If it is, then we can say given function is onto function. Okay, so we will check this onto function. How will we check? First of all, we will take y equal to f of x. This is the process to check the second definition applied or not, right? Y equal to f of x. Now f of x is given x plus 3, so we will take y equal to x plus 3. Now we have to take x equal to y minus 3. Make a subject x. This is the process. Make a subject x equal to y minus 3, so that we can check for values of y. For every value y belongs to b, we can find x, and by finding value of x, we will check whether the value of x is there in domain or not. So first of all, we will take y equal to 7. अगर हम y इक्वल टू 7 लेते हैं तो 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Now check it. 4 belongs to a. See here, 4 belongs to a. Similarly, if we take y equal to 9, we get x equal to 6 belongs to a. Here it is. If we get x equal to 11, we get x equal to 8, which is belongs to a. We get 10 for y equal to 13, which is belongs to A. So for every y belongs to codomain B, there exists any x belongs to A in domain A, right? See here, for all the values of y, we can find x, and these values of x are in A. So definition is applied, right? And we can say that given function is an onto function. But how will we show? By calculation in exam. We have to show this calculation like this. See, f of x equal to x plus 3. Then take f of x equal to y here in left hand side, f of x equal to y. So y equal to x plus 3. And if we make subject x, then we get x equal to y minus 3. Now we have to check this calculation in mind, right? We can check it orally or in mind. We need not to show this calculation in exam. So now we have checked this all the process for this given definition. We can say that for every y belongs to B, there exists any x belongs to A such that f of x equal to x plus 3. Now we have to show that f of x equal to y. We have to show f of x equal to y. So to show this f of x equal to y, we will put value of x, y minus 3 here in the given function, x equal to y minus 3. So minus 3 cancel, minus 3 plus 3 cancel, we get f of x equal to y. Hence we can say that f is onto function. Okay, let's see another example. Okay, what is the example? Given function f a to b, f of x is equal to x plus 6, where domain A is a set having element 2, 4, 5, 6, and codomain B is the set having elements 8, 10, 11, 12, 13. Right? We have to check whether given function is an onto or not. So for every y belongs to B, there exists any x belongs to A such that f of x equal to y, then we can say that given function is an onto function. This is the definition. So to show the calculation, we will take y equal to f of x first, and take the formula f of x equal to x plus 6, so y equal to x plus 6. Now make a subject x, so that we get this equation x equal to y minus 6. Now take the values of y from the codomain, take each and every elements from codomain as value of y, and check the value of x by using the value of y and this equation x equal to y minus 6. So if we take y equal to 8, 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. 2 is there in domain, right? So x belongs to A. If we take y equal to 10, 10 minus 6 equal to 4. 4 is there in domain. So next 11, 11 minus 6, 5. 5 is there in domain. Next 12, 12 minus 6 is equal to 5 is there in domain. So all the elements from codomain B as y, if we take as values of y, then we find the values of x in डोमेन ए, राइट? तो ये हमें चेक करना है। कोडोमेन की सभी वैल्यूज के लिए हमें ए से एक्स को सब्जेक्ट बनाकर जो भी इक्वेशन बनता है उसमें पुटअप करनी है वाई की वैल्यू और एक्स की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है। अगर सभी वैल्यू के लिए एक्स की वैल्यू जो हमें मिलती है वो डोमेन में है, तो हम चेक करेंगे f of x equal to y, right, and we can say that it is an onto function. अगर नहीं है, कोई भी एक वैल्यू के लिए भी कोडोमेन की कोई भी एक वैल्यू के लिए भी x की वैल्यू जो मिलती है वो डोमेन में नहीं है, तो ये onto फंक्शन नहीं है, ऐसे हम कहेंगे, राइट। तो अभी तक तो हमने ये चेक कर लिए 8, 10, 11, 12. नाउ for what about 13? If you take y equal to 13, see here, y equal to 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. So x equal to 7, right? But this is the point. See, 7 is not there in domain. So we can say that definition is not applied. So we will write if y equal to 13 belongs to B, B is the codomain, we get x equal to 7, which is doesn't belongs to A in which is domain, such that f of x equal to y. अगर 7 यहाँ पे है डोमेन A में, तो ही f of x equal to y बनेगा ना। देखो, अगर x equal to 7 यहाँ पे हम लेंगे f in the given function x equal to 7, तो 7 plus 6 13, तो ये बनेगा, ठीक है। तो ये अप्लाई नहीं होता, एफ ऑफ एक्स इक्वल टू वाई नहीं बनता, इसीलिए हम कहेंगे गिवन फंक्शन इज नॉट एन onto function. So this is the second example I have shown here. Now in another video I will show some more example to show onto functions, right? Till then, bye.